Did you know that how much protein you get, what kind you get, and when you get it are vital for keeping and holding on to muscle? Did you also know that the type of protein you get can also be key to losing weight, especially from the deadliest type of fat in your belly? Hi, I'm David Despain, and on this webinar, I'll be talking about the role of protein for building muscle and losing weight, why you should consider getting more protein in your diet, and why quality matters. First of all, let's talk about normal aging. Normal aging is associated with the decreases of muscle. Often that's accompanied with increases of body fat. The combination of the two is usually more detrimental than either alone. They eventually lead to loss of physical function and mobility with age, and also increased risk of chronic disease. What we want for healthy aging is to slow or reverse this process. As you can see here, the typical 25-year-old has 19% muscle and 14% fat. But over time, body composition changes, and you have a 114% fat gain and a 37% muscle loss. By the time you hit 70 years old, the typical person has about 30% fat and 12% muscle. The kind of body fat in aging also matters. When examining body fat and body composition, researchers have generally divided fat into either subcutaneous or visceral fat. There's also intramuscular fat and intrahepatic fat. In general, visceral fat is a relatively small proportion of total body fat. However, it can accumulate. And why is it important? It's chiefly because, unlike subcutaneous fat, visceral fat bathes the liver, kidneys, pancreas, and other organs that are necessary for maintaining optimal health. Subcutaneous fat is fat that accumulates in the lower body, often visualized as producing a pear-shaped appearance. The body shape is more frequently associated with adiposity of women. In contrast, visceral fat is the fat within your belly, not the fat hanging over your belt, and is associated with the apple-shaped appearance observed more frequently in men. Visceral fat is also known as central or subabdominal fat. When visceral fat accumulates, it can be deadly. Primarily, it leads to metabolic syndrome factors such as high blood pressure, high triglycerides, low HDL cholesterol, and insulin resistance. Because of its proximity, visceral fat has serious implications on health. Excess visceral fat is an early sign of metabolic syndrome, or Syndrome X, which is a group of risk factors including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, insulin resistance, and obesity. And these factors occurring all together put you at a higher risk for chronic diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Previously, body fat was thought to be just that, fat. However, scientists have known for some time that body fat is indeed no less an organ than the liver or kidney due to its metabolic activities, its target by hormones, and its ability to secrete cytokines, or proteins that have hormone-like effects. Visceral fat, leading to metabolic syndrome, has become a new global health epidemic, but we can battle this epidemic head-on with Isagenix. Muscle, too, is an important metabolic tissue. It's involved in supporting the body's normal metabolism, promoting better blood sugar control, bone health, and guarding the immune system. It's critical to maintain muscle as you age to avoid chronic disease. More muscle tone as you age will mean looking better, having better physical function, and ultimately, a better quality of life. Muscle is critical for metabolism and fat burning. Muscle is central to the health of the entire body. Muscle is critical for bone strength and mass. Muscle helps clear sugar from the bloodstream and improve insulin sensitivity. And muscle supports the immune system. As Kathy Savage points out,
when we diet, we lose muscle. It's inevitable. But the Isagenix system fortifies a body to prevent muscle loss. It created a tighter physique for my clients and allows them to stay conditioned.
The problem with normal diets is that they often lack sufficient protein and inevitably lead to muscle loss. Typical diets also may supply protein of the wrong kind for muscle maintenance. Whey protein is one of the protein types that are found in milk. It is unique in the fact that it is high in branched-chain amino acids that support muscle. It also has been shown to be proven consistently to deliver the best results for fat burning. So let's talk about fat burning. Research shows that whey protein is the superior choice of protein for fat burning and surpasses soy and other proteins. Here we show results from a study in 2011 that showed that whey protein consistently delivered better results for fat burning over 5.5 hours than soy. In fact, whey protein has been proven to consistently deliver the best results for fat burning, as shown in a recent study in 2011. Whey protein has also proven superior for weight loss over time. Here in this graph we show a comparison between whey and soy in a study over 5 months, showing that the people using whey protein lost more fat overall. In the same study, whey also showed greater reductions in waist circumference, which is a marker of visceral fat loss. Additional benefits of whey protein are that the high amounts of branched-chain amino acids in the protein support increased muscle maintenance, slow muscle breakdown, and undenatured whey protein also supports production of glutathione, which is a key antioxidant for battling oxidative stress and guarding telomere health. Studies have shown that whey protein is consistently best for muscle because of its rich content of branched-chain amino acids.
Other products I was using were not even close to Isagenix. The protein is second to none.
What else does the science show? Recent studies show whey in large doses, up to 35 grams, does the following. Boosts muscle growth by up to 100% after exercise in athletes and teens in sports. Boosts fat burning, especially of the deadly visceral fat kind, in overweight adults, and also helps maintain muscle, bone, and supporting glutathione status in elderly. Introducing IsaLean Pro. Isagenix offers customers a high-dose whey protein shake to assist with weight loss and muscle building goals. With 36 grams of protein and only 290 calories, it provides a delicious, low-glycemic, high-protein meal replacement that features 4 grams of fiber and active enzymes for easy digestion. It also offers all the benefits of IsaLean Shake plus IsaPro in a convenient single-serving packet. What are the benefits of IsaLean Pro? First of all, it boosts metabolism fat burning. It builds lean muscle. It assists performance. It helps folks blast through their weight loss plateaus. It enhances satiety so you feel fuller longer. There's lower lactose levels for easy digestion. And it also helps reduce visceral belly fat. Who is IsaLean Pro designed for? Athletes and teens in sports. Anyone who's having a hard time losing stubborn weight or visceral fat, older adults seeking to hold on to muscle tone and age gracefully. IsaLean Pro contains the highest quality of whey protein concentrate and casein protein from small family farms in New Zealand. Free grazing, pasture-fed New Zealand dairy cows are milked according to season and are free from the harmful effects of hormones and antibiotics. New Zealand standards far exceed the USDA's organic standards. As a result, IsaLean Pro contains significantly lower lactose levels and a superior amino acid profile. IsaLean Pro is convenient and easy to use. The handy single-serving packets are ready when you are, wherever you are. Each box of IsaLean Pro comes with 14 servings, priced at only $3.50 per meal, with a wholesale price at $49 and a retail price of $65. If you're feeling like your weight loss has come to a standstill, or if you feel your workout progress has peaked, then it's time to consider IsaLean Pro. Now you can feel fuller, longer, boost fat burning, and muscle growth, especially in combination with the resistance training program. IsaLean Pro is ideal for athletes, weight conditioning programs, weight loss seekers, and anyone looking for even better results on their shake days or any day. IsaLean Pro enhances your Isagenix lifestyle and gives your body what it needs. IsaLean Pro can also be used to add quality calories and nutrition for those seeking to build significant muscle mass.